It's Brandon from All American Thrills here. We're just about to take off for our 4th Laff Trakk instruction update and our 2nd from ALTair. So here you go.
And now here we are flying towards the construction site. You can see since our last update, quite a lot has changed in Midway America and the future home of Hersheypark's 13th roller coaster, Laff Trakk. The buildings that contained the kiddie rides have been relocated. Their pads are getting basically destroyed. The mini trains building has been removed altogether. More trees have been removed, and they are beginning to dig. If you look over towards Lightning Racer Station, you can see in the former overflow queue the 2 buildings that used to house the pony carts and granny bugs have been picked up and moved over there temporarily. The buildings, not the rides. If you look down, a fence is being built to separate the construction zone from park guests this weekend. And over at the fun slides, the entrance and exit were taken apart, so it'll be interesting to see how you enter and exit the fun slides temporarily during construction. And looking down once more, you can see the loading platform for mini train and granny bugs totally gone.
That wraps up our ALTair update of Laff Trakk. As I mentioned, quite a lot was removed and quite a lot is changing, which you can see behind me. So we'll continue to get ALTair updates, so if you don't already, like us on Facebook, subscribe here on YouTube, and follow us over on Twitter for all the exciting Laff Trakk updates here at Hersheypark and from All American Thrills.